Horses out. We've got Dagaran Kid past the begin. Royal Paris by Drell Miss Pangawa. Fabiola, Danari inside, Substantial, Black Label, City Kit, Laberapol, Sitoneta, Be My Baby, third last, second last is Jupiter Thunder, and Citrus Admiral is the early trailer, and going along for a first turn, we have Miss Pangaw, Baya Balalaing Kanehapa, Fabiola in second, running by Drell third, is Royal Pair, Black Label is on alongside Ford, then comes City Kit, Laberapol, moving up by Drell Substantial, alongside Dagaran Kid, Situnet, Be My Baby, Jupiter Thunder, and Citrus Admiral still racing in last, that's still Miss Pangaw, Baya Balalaing a Royal Pair moving up, Laberapol in the middle, and on the outside, Black Label, Substantial, Dagaran Kid also moving up, then comes Sirikita, Sitonet alongside Fabiola, Be My Baby, Jupiter Thunder, and Citrus Admiral. Laberapol now takes the lead by Alenka. Danari inside is Royal Pair, closing in turn now, Dagaran Kid. But it's still Laberapol. Royal Pair is Danari inside. Laberapol, Royal Pair, batting around for the leader. Royal Pair, Laberapol is on the outside. Laberapol, Royal Pair, entering the finish line. It's going to be Royal Pair, Laberapol. Then comes Substantial. Dagaran Kid, Sitonet.
Yun. 4-7, 1-10-8. Yan lang ang narinig natin kay